All right, we've got 3 5-litter hogs in here. 5-2 male, 5-3 gilt, 5-4 gilt. 5-4 gilt's the solid black. 3's the traditional belt. That's who's on the pipe right now. These hogs are cheat code JoJo. Their mother came from Heimer also. She'd be a litter mate to Geyer's barrow that was reserve grained at Illinois in 21 at the Illinois State Fair. It's a gilt that we showed and got out on the circuit a little, but the cheat code is a Cale Boyson boar out of Dirty South at Crossroads. That was the champion boar actually at the CPS type conference that I judged. That's a boar I thought would fit this sow perfect. The sow brings some extras from a standpoint of shape and bone, and just needed to have a little more flesh and body on her, and that cheat code's so good there on his feet and legs. I think this is a really neat litter that's matured well. I'll let Cole talk the specifics.
Yeah, a good trio here of 5s. Again, those were cheat codes out of a JoJo sow there from Heimer. And I think a very unique trio just in terms of having some muscularity and some crisp shape up high, excuse me, at this stage of the game, and then still being able to pair that with a functional skeleton. This male pig here, -2 on the far right up against the fence. That one's very unique in terms of, like we said, having some muscularity, yet he pairs that with a clean neck and a very, very elite look, and still has the ability to utilize his skeleton. And then the belted gilt there on the stick, the -3, same can be said. A very good look and still functional and athletic about her build, one that looks like days on feed will only be her friend. And then maybe just the all-black gilt, another one that's maybe the most impressive in terms of the turn and shape on the top side of her skeleton, and she too utilizes it very, very well. A very good trio that I think has a ton of upside. A very nice set of these 5 litters. Again, the male is 5-2, the belted gilt's 5-3, and then 5-4 would be the all-black gilt.